Nice. No, too far away. Two. Uy, tricky ball. Bien, nice ball. Good ball. You got like good ball position and not so bouncy out. That was good. 3-2. I got you there. I got you there. Oh, I didn't saw you coming. If you had taken with the ball up, you put pressure. But so also, if another thing, if you are going to the net after a bandeja, is to really short it out. Not this one so much. If you do this, it's better maybe stay in the back. So what it should change is the speed attitude for hand this one. If you had just changed this, you would have got the point because I didn't saw you coming and my ball was not so hard. So you did the right mobility then. Yeah. One more. Dale. I serve now. Dale. You got time. You got plenty time, bro. Good. Tired? Don't give me 3 points because of tired. Almost. Try again. One more step. Step back. Then. It's the steps only. You have the hands. You have the hands. It's the step. Vamos. 4. Nice. Very good. You change it well and correct. Do it again. The first ball was good. Oh, take it. Dale. I saw you coming. Bien, dude. 4-2. Oh, 4-3. You took the chance. Good. Start to the other side now, Hogan. Good, dude. Also, for example, in that one, I like it that you went in. Now, for example, I wasn't so out of balance. So I did a few steps back, but not so many. So then you have to be aware of that. If you see the other guy making 3, 4, 5 steps, It's a good ball to come in. If it's 2, it's in the middle. So you gotta be careful. Dale. Don't need to play so fast the first one because you have the position. So watch out. Like, for example, when I have play and you have lifted, I haven't gone so hard. I just keep you back. You're controlling in front. Buena. Buena. Nice. Good job. Good job. Ah, nice. Viejo con 2-0. Uh, 3-0. Bien. Ah, much better now. 4-0. And coming back. Ah, 5. Bien. I serve. Bien. No, sorry. Sorry. Tac. 1-1. 2-1. Play again. Repeat it. New one. Vamos, vamos, vamos. Take your time. 4. Then you have to find a way to deaccelerate everything. There. Second round. Out. Let's play to 10, tie break in both sides at the, like a tie break. 10. We're switching the normal tie break. Yeah. Oh. Oh. Ay, what did I do? Viejo. 0-1. You were solid, you deaccelerate ya. No. Good idea, too much risk. Half, perfect. Good idea. One, two. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, and no, don't need to accelerate anything because I'm in the back. Continue. We continue. Ah, shit. No. 3-2. Aha. 4-2. Put the first one in, Håkon. Always. 2-5. Yes, always. Get me to poly. And then we see. Ooh. The step. But again, it's not a ball to me. It's because I'm not, like look how I'm hitting. How I can't hurt you like this. You gotta keep me like that more. 2-6. I'm out. Oh. 8. And then look. I'm not gonna hurt you. Observe a bit the situation. One more. Sorry, you got it. Ah, 9-3. Again for too much. And again, look, you have to really kinda. It's not that it's hard, but you're stressing the shot because of the position. Try again. Go back again. Look, I do that on purpose. You can also go there. You can also go there. For example. So the second one you did good.
I'm not trying.
But it's tricky, dude. It's tricky.
Take more viewers.
A couple more there.
Yeah.
Couple more. Yeah, a couple more. One more. What I really want you to do is like to don't try to mess it up on the first 3 shots. Try to find a way to make me play kind of like choking, not so free. Yeah, almost. You got it. Buena. Opa. Bit of bad luck with the bounce. Oof. You got your chance. But then, if you notice that, a bit more comp on the way in. Yes. No, not on the first 2. I'm in the back. I'm not hurting you. Ah, la cagué. Bien, Jocon. Bien. 3-2. Play more for the position. Then I couldn't get out. You could have turned. 4-2.